When The Scientific Secrets of Perfect Timing by Daniel H. Pink explores the science of time and how moments impact our lives. He argues that the when of what we do is as crucial as the what or how, and reveals hidden patterns in the day, week, and life stages that we can leverage to improve our decisions and well-being. These are the book's core ideas. 1. The hidden pattern of everyday life. Pink reveals that most people experience a pattern of performance and mood that follows a peak, valley, and recovery throughout the day. He suggests that analytical tasks should be done at the peak. 2. Beginnings. Beginnings offer a fresh start effect. These time marker moments propel us to action and make us more likely to set and pursue goals. 3. Midpoints. Midpoints in long projects can be a drop in motivation or a revitalizing boost. The activating midpoint effect occurs when we realize time is running out and become more focused. 4. Endings. Endings not only mark closure, but also influence our actions and perceptions. They can inspire a final sprint or a reflection on meaning. The way we finish something affects how we remember it and prepares us for the future. 5. Groups. When people work together, collective time is crucial. Synchronizing fosters connection and cooperation. Breaks are vital for recovery, not just for individuals, but for group cohesion and performance. 6. Reflection. This chapter emphasizes the importance of systematic reflection to learn from the past and plan for the future. Journaling or regular reviews help us understand the timing patterns in our own lives and adjust our actions. In conclusion, Wynne shows us that time is not just a backdrop for our lives, but a powerful and underestimated force. By understanding and applying the scientific principles of Wynne, we can optimize our decisions, improve our performance, strengthen our relationships, and ultimately live more fulfilling and effective lives. Timing awareness is a learnable skill that transforms how we approach each day. Subscribe, like, and share for more videos.